New this morning, Mississippi will soon have some extra federal funding to repair roads damaged in severe weather. The Federal Highway Administration approved more than $6.85 million in emergency relief grants. This will go towards repairing roads damaged by flooding, storms, and other events. The largest of the three grants will help ongoing road work by the National Park Service to overcome 2020 flood damage at the Vicksburg National Military Park and the Natchez Trace National Park. The administration is also giving $1.2 million to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service to continue work at the Hillside Wildlife Refuge in Holmes County.